3 CR 2906, State of Texas versus Summer Munoz. All right, so what did you test positive for? And you want to go back to I only use marijuana with me? I'm sorry. Can you speak up and could you uncross your arms? You're not a little girl. We're not in a classroom. You are in a felony court where you could potentially go to prison. So what are you been using?
Meth and marijuana.
When's the last time you used meth?
Like 2 days ago.
No, it's more than 2 days ago.
Whoa, our judge isn't pulling any punches since the get-go. You can tell the tension is escalating since she's going after the defendant's body and tone. That's not for social events. It's a felony courtroom, and there's no levity. Seated there among them, I'm reminded just how quickly the defendant's demeanor can make or break the entire direction of a hearing.
How often are you using?
I just got out of jail, so I haven't been using that often.
Well, I mean, you went straight from jail to use meth. Don't give me attitude.
I'm not.
You've been dishonest with the court. You made them waste of, you think UAs just are free? You made them waste a UA telling me that you're going to be positive for marijuana only when I knew it was not going to be the case. And now you're positive for meth, amphetamines, and marijuana. So who are you using with? Are you using by yourself in a dark room? Or are you using with some boyfriend? Who are you using with?
No, actually where I'm staying at.
And where is that?
With a friend.
Who is this friend?
Her name is Natasha.
All right. I like the way you make up names. I can't believe anything you're telling me now because you.
That's where the unraveling begins. The defendant accuses pot use, but the test comes back for meth, and the judge zeroes in like a hawk. Notice the pattern of the judge consistently going back to the living situation, the friend, and the story developing by the minute. That's the quintessential example of judges cross-examining credibility where they think someone's not telling the full story.
Are you employed?
No.
So how are you supporting yourself?
I'm not.
So who's supporting you?
Nobody.
Well, what are you eating other than drugs?
I have food stamps.
I'm sorry, what?
I have food stamps.
Who's giving you food stamps? You don't have your child with you. Those food stamps are for your child.
Yes, ma'am. I just recently applied and I got approved for emergency food stamps.
I cannot understand a word you're saying.
Applied and I got approved for emergency food stamps.
I know people who really should have food stamps that don't get approved. So you don't have your child with you. You're using meth. You're probably selling your food stamps for meth. And this is a tampering with a government record. So I don't even know if you obtain your food stamps legitimately. So what did you tell them in order to get food stamps? Because you don't qualify. Okay. I think she's probably going to end up with another criminal case. Yes, because I don't know a government giving out food stamps to people who won't work. There's nothing wrong with you. You don't have your child with you. Somebody else is taking care of your child.
I have to look for work. It's like one of the conditions that they gave me in order to get food stamps. So I'm supposed to be going to the workforce.
Well, you're obviously doing a poor job of it, but I tell you what, you're in this court, you're going to have employment. I'm not going to, the length of probation is outside the agreement. So it's going to be more than 4 years in this court because she has a lot of work that needs to be done to, I don't know why you're giving me the attitude.
No, I'm not trying to. I'm sorry.
Yes, you are. Either that or it's because you're high. I don't know which one it is, but you're giving me attitude. And that attitude will most likely be readjusted by me at the Bexar County Jail. So I don't know if your attorney told you this, but I can send you.
This portion is uncomfortable because it ticks a nerve. The judge connects the use of drugs, unemployment, and suspected benefits fraud by government, demonstrating the way one legal issue can balloon into multiple. It's hard to sit through, but that's what accountability in real time actually is. It's uncomfortable for the viewers, who get a glimpse of the sort of scrutiny courts use when defendants receive public support, but are nonetheless found to use or deal with street drugs.
Condition of this probation for attitude readjustment. Do you want that?
No.
All right, so I'm going to sentence her to 6 years deferred adjudication. You're getting a job, and there are plenty of jobs that are available. You're going to knock your pride aside. And if you're going to be flipping burgers at McDonald's or working on fries, you're going to be the best fry person you can be until you move up. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
How far did you go in school?
9th grade.
9th grade. Why did you drop out?
I have a problem at home.
What were these problems? You using drugs?
No, not necessarily, just like things that were going on with my mom's marriage and everything else.
And what's that tattoo on your neck?
And it says only the strong survive.
All right. People love to put down sayings on their bodies because they can't remember them. All right, it's going to be a $1,500 fine, probated. Proof of employment. And it's going to be proof of full-time employment within 15 days. If you have to get 2 part-time jobs, you will get 2 part-time jobs for the court. Full-time employment is at least 40 hours a week.
6 years of deferred adjudication could be considered leniency, but it's actually a tightrope in practice. Full-time employment, community work, parenting classes, drug court, weekly testing, one misstep, and it's directly into jail. Even the judge spells attitude readjustment out in Behar County Jail. This reveals the manner in which probation is both a second chance and a high-pressure test.
Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
We can go off the record. So that tattoo you have about only the strong will survive, that's the mode that your child is being in. And your child should not be in that. Her parents should not be using drugs. Her parents should get her life together, and somebody else should not be raising your child. And you just 100% living off the government, that's not going to happen in this court. You get another job. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And if you got those food stamps illegally, you better turn them in, because your counsel can tell you what the government does. They wait till your food stamps, when you take those monies from the government and you shouldn't have, they wait till it becomes a felony. Then they turn it in. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you.
Thank
So
you,
23.
This final installment is a wake-up call. The tattoo, "Only the strong will survive," is the metaphor for the child's life, and the judge essentially begs her to clean up, get a job, and retrieve her daughter. This isn't punishment. It's an ultimatum for the sake of breaking the cycle. As viewers, we can only wonder, does the judge seem too harsh, or is this the tough love it takes to bring about change?